Hello. Let's solve Leetcode number 3, a very popular Leetcode question. Longest substring without repeating characters. So basically, we've been given a word or a series of strings, and we are asked to count the longest repeating characters without repeating itself. Here we can see all the characters are the same, so it's just one. That will be the longest. Here we see that KWE is the longest. Now let's take this example. B, C, C, B, B, right? And let's have a bucket, right? Anyone we pick, we put in the bucket. So we pick A, we put in the bucket. Now we come to B, we put in the bucket. Now we pick C, because C doesn't already, with A, B, and C here, A and B and C does not already exist, we add C to it. Now we pick A again, right? Now A already exists, so what we want to do is we want to get rid of this A, so we can take this A out and put a new A here. Now B already exists, so we take this B out and put this B on top. But C already exists, we take this C out and put the C on top. Now we come here, we have a B, right? B already exists, so we take that B out and put this B on top. And now we have a last B. B already exists. Take this B out and we put this B on top. Now what will be left is to be left with A, B, and C. So from what we are seeing here is just 3 of them left. So that is the longest repeating substring. This is not how. This will give you the longest, right? But it is not really how we want it. Another way we can solve it, we can use sliding window, where we set the left pointer here and then the right pointer here, right? So as the left pointer keeps moving, we take the length of the longest substring, right? So the right can move up onto this point without repeating, and then we can take the length of this thing and store it, right? So the length of a given range is right minus left plus 1. So in this case, it is going to be 0. Actually, no, it's not 0. 2 minus 0 plus 1, and that is going to be 3, right? The next time from here we move here, we are going to see that there is an A. Now the right will be here, but the left will move forward 1 step because we want to get rid of this A here. It is still a 3. It is still the longest. It's still a long repeating substring, a unique one, right? Without repetitions in here. Now, if it goes here, it moves, right moves to this point. We have a B. The left comes back here. We still have a 3, right? Now, if the right gets to this point, left will have to move forward because we still have to take out the C, right? And then we still have a unique ABC. Now if we get and the distance is still 3 at this point. Now if we move forward, the right makes another step here. Now we need, the left is here, but we have A, B, C, B, and it has to be continuous. It has to be the longest substring without repeating characters, right? So this, we have A here, we have B here, we have C here, we have B. want to get rid of any repeating, and in order to get that, we take this one out and we take this one out. So now the distance is just this, and this is 2, this is 3. Now the next one is a B, so we take this C and this B out. So the left is here and the right is here. So at this point it becomes 1, right? So we have 3, 2, and 1, and we know that 3 is the longest. So we just return the 3. Let's go and see how we can represent that in code. So let's say every letter we see, we put it in a set called C. Our left pointer for the sliding window is 0. The right is also 0, but and then our result is 0 from the beginning. So for right pointer and value in enumerates, S enumerates returns something like of a sort of a key value pair, but in this case is the index and the value, which in this case is the character. So while value in sin dot remove s at index left, right? If we come in here, we're putting everything in the bucket. If the value is in there, we take it out. We remove everything until we get to where it's no longer repeating. We're not seeing the same thing inside it twice, right? And then we move the left by 1 point. Else we just add the character to the scene. And then the result is going to be the max of whatever result we have at this time compared to right minus left plus 1. And then we return the results. Alright, so this is how you solve longest repeating characters, longest repeating substring without repeating characters. Also, the definition of a substring has been stated here is a contiguous non-empty sequence of characters within a string, right? Thanks for watching. See you in another one.